Hello and welcome to Language is Fun. My name is Nandini Pluri, and today I'm going to be sharing 14 different ways to say, "Oh, I am tired." I've even decided to not put any makeup on. Don't I look a little tired? But I'm not. Let's start now. Why is this important? Because when you use different ways to say the same thing, you make your speech more interesting, more dynamic, and you can really emphasize your tiredness without sounding boring or repetitive. Okay, so let's begin. So if we're starting with the simple "I'm tired," there are similar words we can replace tired with. For example, number 1, I'm drained. Think about a battery draining, or a sink full of water and the water's just going down the drain. Just like that, your energy is being drained. So you are drained, you have no energy left. Number 2, I'm fatigued. Fatigue is a French word which means tired. I'm fatigued. Number 3, I'm exhausted. Exhausted. This means you have used all your energy. You have no energy left. Which brings me to number 4. I have no energy left. You can say that when you're tired. I've got no energy left. Number 5. I'm worn out. Just like you can call some old clothes like they're worn out, right? This shirt is worn out. You too can be worn out. Worn out is the opposite of fresh and new. Okay, so think about it this way. When you are new, you're enthusiastic, you have all this energy and all these ideas, you're not worn out. Worn out is the opposite of those things. I'm worn out. Actually, let me give you a bonus word. Okay, number 5.5 or 6. People also say I'm so weary. Weary and worn out often go together. Maybe because of W's, right? I'm really weary of this. I'm tired of this. Next, let's go to some car metaphors, okay? There are quite a few of these, and they're a little similar too. So, number 6, my tank is running on empty. So imagine you're a car with almost no gas, right? The meter is on empty. So you're a little bit slow and you don't have any energy left. Once again, my tank is running on empty. Right? Next is number 7. Instead of saying my tank, you can also just say I'm running on empty. He's running on empty. It has the same meaning. Think about empty. You have no energy, no ideas or inspiration. Maybe you're even a little hungry. Maybe your stomach is empty. So you're drained. I'm running on empty today. Another very similar phrase is I'm running on fumes. Okay, fumes are like pollution, basically. Have you seen a car that doesn't have any gas left and it's just creating a lot of pollution? There's a lot of smoke coming out. I'm running on fumes. It's like my energy is coming from the smoke, not from the fuel. I've been running on fumes for weeks. Number 9. Why? Because there's not much left in me. Or you can also say, there's not much left in the tank. Once again, a car metaphor, right? So this means there's not much energy left, there's not much fuel left in the tank. You can also use this if you don't have many ideas left, but often we use it for low energy when you're feeling tired. It means I cannot do any more work or give any more energy to this than I currently am. I'm so tired. Now, when you're tired, it can also be because you have too much work, right? It's not just because of your physical or your mental condition. It can be because there's just too much to do and you're feeling tired. So here are some phrases that show that you cannot do any more than what you are doing. You are tired because you are overwhelmed and overworked. Here we go. 10. I don't think I can do much more. Or, I don't think I can do any more. This is simple. Number 11. I'm juggling more than I can handle. Like you're in a circus. You have all these balls that you're juggling. You are so busy and you cannot handle one more ball. When you're saying that it's more than you can handle, that's when it means, oh, I'm a little tired, I can't do any more work. If you just say, I'm juggling a lot of things, that means you're busy. Oh, I'm juggling more than I can handle, I'm exhausted, and I'm busy. Another one similar to this is number 12. I've bitten off more than I can chew. Imagine you take a really big bite of a pizza or burger or your favorite meal and your mouth is all filled up and you're chewing and it becomes tiring for your muscles, right? For your mouth muscles as you're chewing this big bite. So when you say I've bitten off more than I can chew, right? More than I can chew, this means that you have too much work. You have taken too much work. When you say you've bitten, that means you yourself have chosen to take a big bite of work and now you're working hard and feeling tired trying to chew your work or to do your work. Now let's go to a simple idiom, which is dog-tired. Number 13, dog-tired has a hyphen between dog and tired. This means I am completely worn out, totally drained, and absolutely exhausted. Oh, I'm dog-tired after my shift at work. And here's the last one, 14, or with the bonus, 15. I'm struggling to keep up these days. So when you're keeping up with something, that means it's moving very fast for you and you're trying to stay at the same place as that fast moving thing. Imagine you're in a race and as you're running, there's somebody who's running right next to you. But sometimes they go in front of you and you feel so tired as you're running and you're trying to keep up with them, be at the same level as them. That can be so tiring and painful, right? So you can use this phrase, I'm struggling to keep up. I'm finding it difficult to keep up. When something is requiring more energy than is comfortable for you to give, but it can also be used when something is a little bit difficult and you're trying very hard to understand it or to do it properly. You're trying to keep up. You're struggling to match the same level as this thing that is moving. Now I'm going to use some of these phrases naturally as I share with you why I made this video. Here's the truth. I've been struggling to keep up with my workload, and I want to make YouTube videos joyfully. This channel is called Language is Fun because I genuinely love language. I find it so enjoyable. But as I've been running on fumes and struggling to make and post videos every single day, I have decided that from now on, I won't post every single day. I should probably post fewer videos each week until I can get a good team to work with me on creating more videos more easily. Right now, I'm doing everything by myself. And I often feel like I've bitten off much more than I can chew. So from now on, I won't be posting videos daily, but a few times a week, definitely. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video hasn't made you tired and that you gained a few new ways to say, oh, I am so tired. I know it's not gonna take too much energy to just click the subscribe button below. It would make me feel so joyful to see more of you here on my channel. And to those who are already part of the channel, thank you so much. We have crossed 100 subscribers and I am thrilled, truly thrilled about this. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, bye bye, and also tell me, what is the thing in your life that makes you feel tired? I look forward to seeing your comments below. Bye!